Welcome back. We're going to change our stock light to this.
So this is the LED third brake light we're going to install. It's the Putco. It does have the cargo light in it, and we did order the smoke one, but 6 months later this is what showed up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some tint and wrap it with tint. We'll see how it turns out.
So starting off inside your truck, there are two plugs in the roof, 1, 2. So pull those out. They just pop out. You can use hands or a pry tool. Plastic pry tool will work well. A screwdriver will work as well if you're careful. And inside there's an 8mm nut. So take your socket, 8mm socket. A long or deep socket will work best. So loosen that. Once it's loose, you can unscrew it by hand and pull it out. Be careful not to drop it. They're easy to lose, but they're usually just stuck up in the headliner, which you can sometimes find them and dig them out. So once you have the one side done, move on to the other side and remove the other side as well. So once you have both nuts removed, you can move to the back of the truck and pull on the brake light. Mine was stuck on pretty good, so I used a plastic squeegee to pry it up a bit. There is a gasket seal, and the seal was stuck to the truck, but it wasn't too difficult to remove. So once you have it pulled out, push down on the clip and pull apart the wiring harness. And you can see here some of the seal is left on the truck. I used my plastic squeegee to scrape off the remaining foam on the truck. Don't use a metal scraper or you will scrape the paint off. And you want this nice and clean, so the new brake light will make a good seal to the back of the truck. And I use a bit of alcohol to clean it up. So once the area is clean, take your new brake light, connect the wiring harness, and insert the bolts into the holes. And moving back inside the truck, take your 8mm nuts, and it's easiest if you start them in a shallow socket to start, and then switch to the deep socket to finish them off. And it can be tricky to line them up, but here's the finished product. Cargo light, brake light. Thanks for watching.